Welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. It's been a while since I've had a review video and bonus, and to kick this first review and bonus off for this year, this is the first one I've done in 2021. I have an insane bonus package that you will not be disappointed with. So we have a new product, and I want to start off by showing you what my bonus will be because I've never offered a bonus like this before. It's a new style and it's completely custom and unique, and I think that you will be pleased on what bonus I'm going to actually give you if you decide to pick up this product today. So there was actually a couple launches that are coming out today, and Pixel Crafters had one, and Fruitful for Creatives. These are some popular vendors on Warrior Plus that create really amazing stuff for the low content and coloring book niches. And you can take these for print on demand and to create t-shirts and sell them on different POD sites as well. So there's a lot of uses for these, not just coloring books, but the obvious is coloring books. So Fruitful Creatives is the one I chose because this is really unique and I really like her stuff. And what you're going to get is a superhero fun coloring pack from Fruitful Creatives, 30 unique designs, and she's offering them in PNG and SVG format. So that's a real big bonus, getting them in SVG format. And so what I'm going to go in and show you exactly what this is. But if you do at any point want to pick this product up and you click the first link in the description, and go ahead and purchase the product, you will get this bonus right here. All you have to do is click this button. You click the link below, click this button here, and it'll take you over to the sales page and make the purchase. And then you will get this bonus. And then you also will get this cover. Look at this cover right here. It's a high quality cover that will, take probably at least 20 to 30 minutes to put this whole thing together. This bonus is custom. I had my designer. I have a full-time designer that is working for me right now, and I'm going to be taking my KDP business to the next level. But what I did was, I had my designer create this bonus. It's an inspirational coloring book for kids. And you can see you're going to get a full unique designs. These are not on Creative Fabrica or anything like that. These are fully created by the designer. So you would be getting, like when you get things on Creative Fabrica, it's thousands of people have access to that. These are going to be unique backgrounds with unique text and unique quotes and everything. And even the cover, we have this really, really nice, unique, professionally done cover for you as well. So you get the custom design, you get a full front and back cover like this, and it's an editable template in Canva. So I'm going to give you access to this already done for you, really high professional. You can change the title if you want to change the title, or anything like that. Or change any of the images around or anything that you want to do with it. I'm going to give you access to be able to do that. And you get the full custom interior, 30 designs with a blank page in between. Now, I've been doing a lot of coloring books lately. I'm publishing daily, and I am starting to see, I'm having actually really good successes in January as well. So far, I'm actually selling some really, a lot of my coloring books. So if you want this bonus, click the link below, pick up the product, and you will get this. Now I will come back. Let me show you the product real quick, and then I'm going to come back and show you the inside. So don't go anywhere, because if you want to see all 30 pages, I will let you see those in the video later on in a couple minutes. And then also I'll show you the full design right here for the background. So that's the bonus. Really exciting bonus. I'm only offering one bonus with this package because this right here is truly a $75 to $100 value, because it would take my designer at least 4 hours to put this entire thing together. You guys know how long it would take to create 30 unique designs like this and do a cover. It's probably more like an 8-hour deal. So this could be worth whatever value that takes. However long that would take you to create, well, that's the value of this right here. So Fruitful Creatives. Here's the sales page. Dominate the profitable superhero coloring book niche and stand out with unique and high quality illustrations. These are really actually a little bit different take on the superhero that I thought that they would go. It's not your typical superhero images, which I think is really cool. You're going to get the 30 unique quality designs. I like that. Instead of 20 or 25, they're going all out. They're giving you 30 high quality designs, 8.5 by 11. Of course, you can take these and you could shrink them down and make them into an 8.5 by 8.5 book if you wanted to. There are 300 DPI, perfect for print. PNG and SVG files are included. So that is where this is standing out from the crowd, from the other vendors and creators on Warrior Plus, is they usually don't offer SVG files. You're getting SVG files. That means that the image will not become pixelated. You're able to do, make it as big or as small as you want without it becoming pixelated at all. So SVG is incredible, and you can completely change them. You can add color to them and do all kinds of stuff. You get the full commercial use license to put it on your print on demand or your coloring books, unlimited print on demand use. So this launches today at the time of this video coming out. And you can just see, look at all these superhero coloring books for kids. They're all making a killing on Amazon. So there is a demand, and these books definitely sell. She kind of goes over that. And then what you do is you get to actually look at all these images that you will get with this product. All kinds of different kind of silly superhero type. I think that there's some female and male. Yep, there's female right there, male, and they're just really interesting, unique. Nobody else on the whole Amazon platform is going to have these images, which is really, really cool. And then you can read some of that other stuff there. And there are a couple upsells. I think that the upsell number 1, you get backgrounds. You get full backgrounds to be able to put on these. And then I think the gold OTO2, you get all of it in color. So it would be ready to put on t-shirts and things like that. So that is the product. A really cool unique product, unique drawings from a really high quality vendor that I really like on Warrior Plus. And so I want to show you my bonus, the bonus that you will get with this, right? If you order the Superhero Fun Coloring Pack, you will get the interior of this, which is right here. I already have this. Book belongs to, and you guys know how to use all those, I love PDF tools and things like that, where you can remove and add PDF pages. You can add blank pages, remove the blank pages. You can insert ones in there. So you could take this and split these all out, make them into JPEGs, and do whatever you want with them. So it doesn't have to end with just this interior the way that it comes. You can certainly do whatever you want with the interior. But look at all these designs. Always believe in yourself. These are perfect for motivation for kids, and the new year just got kicked off, and so these are really these are perfect to be able to sell these on the Amazon platform. So have faith and courage, and I am enough. Love grows. I mean, just look at, these are really cool. Nice, dark outlines, but then they can color the text, and then they can also color the background. So keep them busy, kids busy for a long time. And I also get some encouraging words. So I'll scroll down here a little bit faster now. You're one of a kind. Always believe you can work hard. Well, I like that. The text is really cool on that one too. It really pops. And you can see that my designer used different fonts throughout this book. So it's really, this takes a lot of time to do this. You guys know that this takes a lot of time. And, this was going to be a book that I was going to publish myself, keep to myself, but I'm giving this to you as a bonus for checking out the product today. And, if it's something that you could use and would like to get, then I want to make the deal sweeter for you by giving you away a complete done for you mindset and motivational coloring book that could be catered to girls or boys. Don't stop until you're proud. Love others, and just keeps going. Good things take time. Do what you love. I mean, look at all this. Really cool. Very impressed with what my designer came up with. And you are super. Think happy thoughts. and we learn from our mistakes. So you get that, and then you also will get this cover. Look at this cover right here. It's a high quality cover that will, take probably at least 20 to 30 minutes to put this whole thing together. It's the right size for that interior. It will actually be exactly the right size. You've got the front and back, the full PDF front and back cover. Now, what I've done is I've actually, if you want to use this cover, I've come in here and I've tested it. There'll be a notepad file that you'll get when you get my bonus, and you'll just go to it and open up the link right here, which will allow you, see a template created by David Mills was shared with you, start designing now. So you can just click on the used template, then you can come in to Canva and you'll be able to come back over to right here. You'll be able to come in here and remove objects and remove whatever you want. You can change the title of this. See, you'll be able to do whatever you want inside Canva and make it your own. So just one more time, if you want to get this unique bonus from me, all you have to do is just click on the first link in the description, come over here to this button and click on that. And if you go and purchase Fruitful Creatives Superhero Fun Coloring Pack, you will get full access to this. What I believe is the best bonus that I've ever offered. And I want to offer more of these types of bonuses for you. So then I can sweeten the deal. You're already going to, a lot of people, these packs do come out with, anywhere from 50 to probably 150 sales each time. So it's not a ton on Warrior Plus. Sometimes there's products that come out that get thousands of sales a day. But you will get about 50 to 100 sales each time a pack comes out. And so you can take those and make them unique and do your different things on them, add text and make it your own, right? But this right here will allow you to, only the people that are buying this product from me, from Teach Me Money Methods, are going to get this unique bonus package, which gives you an entire 8 hours of work, a done for you pack, that I just, really, really like and want to, give this to you guys, as a bonus. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. Wanted to kick this off with an aggressive bonus this year. I hope you guys like it. Drop a comment below if you like this kind of, bonus. If you want to see more of these, if you want me to do more bonuses like this, I'm giving you a done for you pack, everything. Interiors done, 30 designs. It's ready to go. You can just publish it the way it is. And then you're getting the full front back cover, which is really, really neat. And then you can make your own edits to it if you want. So that's really cool. A lot of times you're not able to do that. And it's in the popular Canva, which almost everybody uses. You don't even have to have a pro account to be able to use Canva. So drop a comment if you like this. If you liked the bonus, or if you have anything to say about the bonus or whatever. I appreciate your time today, and I will see you in the next video.